enkwano nere yachakire gwetana na ngambale kurwa Osoro gurwa gusibale bise magega ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i bachikochorwa ebirogo enkwano ingakiora ye kwanere nga bagochikwa hangi asimatiang'i elinde bachoru sono bwa MCA osobujumbe inkiora kwanira
into we are hanging behind omogusii
na
mororo omonto ole beta kobwa Matiang'i torete of which we've looked around, there is none.
Okay.
Matiang'i very tried and tested, Osoro very tried and tested, Simba, they are good leaders, all of them.
Yes.
But Matiang'i is far ahead.
Okay.
Uliona venye education sector ilikuwa, and he has
security.
Alafu, he doesn't have a godfather per se. Ntuto tae to monto ko isaranse mesa.
Wamwa.
Onye Ruto karali, no monto bogere karali, na intuwa yoito no ara. Lakini kwa moto mo Osoro reports to Ruto. Osoro ata isaranse na Ruto ikaba ba negotiating omogusii. Osoro ga kochia Ruto. Lakini kitoto tae. Eto tae to monto ekera isaransta, na uli isaransta ali otoko gweshe ito. Ali ngati toko sabere go sama mbere. Asi tafadhali, we pay tax. And we are in this country, we own it too.
Igo mugochi ko babange mukubuli kiruge kiga and team ya Matiang'i no ready for nominations.
Why not?
Okay.
I'm actually looking forward to that. Mimi nataka wananchi waamue. Hata tukue watu 10 kwa Matiang'i.
Yes.
Tobekera tuligo lo 20.
Okay. Toga nominations